Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners. Hope you all are fine. It is unfortunate that whole world is secured and the humanity is at the verge of extinction because of this deadly COVID-19. May Almighty Allah protect us from this. Ameen. In these hard times, we need to pray, but we need to pray for the whole humanity. Before move to the topic, this video lecture is for class 5th and it is about the SST. Dear students, let's move to the topic, and our topic is land of dense forests. Dear students, land of dense forests, it means we are talking about Democratic Republic of Congo. In a short form, we can say DRC. DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. My dear students, this DRC, it was earlier known as Belgian Congo. Written here, it was earlier known as Belgian Congo, but in 1971, it was changed to Zaire. In 1971, which was changed to Zaire, and in 1997, the name was changed to DRC. Yet again, this Democratic Republic of Congo, it was earlier known as Belgian Congo, but the name was changed in 1971. At that time, it was known as Zaire, and later in 1997, the name was changed to DRC. My dear students, this Democratic Republic of Congo, it is the second largest country in Africa, but after Algeria. Dear students, but after Algeria here, after Algeria, and it covers an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometer. Dear students, this DRC, it covers an area of about 23.5 lakh square kilometers. My dear students, equator passes through the northern part of the country. Dear students, equator passes through the northern part of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, which indicates that it is situated in the tropical zone. My dear students, you know that this Democratic Republic of Congo is a multilingual country. It means that there are four major languages. There are four recognized national languages. First one is, it is Lingala. Second one, it is Kikongo. Third one, it is Swahili. And fourth one, it is Shuluba. These are the four recognized national languages of Democratic Republic of Congo. My dear students, and remember one thing, the official language of the Democratic Republic of Congo, it is French. French is the official language of Democratic Republic of Congo. My dear students, let's move to the location of the country. This DRC, it is located in the Central Africa, and it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This Democratic Republic of Congo, it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It means this DRC, it lies in the equatorial region. This DRC, it lies in the equatorial region, and this DRC, it is surrounded by 9 countries. And these 9 countries are Republic of Congo, it is Angola, it is Rwanda, it is Burundi, it is Uganda, it is Tanzania, it is Central Africa Republic, and it is South Sudan. These are the 9 countries that surround to Democratic Republic of Congo. My dear students, you consult your book and see map 6.2. My dear students, now let's move to the land of the country. This country, this DRC, this lies in the center of a river basin. My dear students, which is a vast low-lying area, and this country, it is covered with the rainforests. And you know, dear students, this country, it is surrounded by the plateaus and mountains. This country, it is surrounded by the mountains and plateaus on three sides. But remember one thing, my dear students, this in the northeast, there lies the Ruwenzori Mountains. Remember this thing, in the northeast, there lies the Ruwenzori Mountains. My dear students, and about, remember this also, that River Congo, it is the second longest river in Africa. River Congo, it is the second longest river in Africa, and this river is also known as the Highway of the Central Africa. This river is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. My dear students, there are four major lakes in the country. There are four major lakes in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Its first one, it is Albert. Second one, it is Edward. Third one, it is Kivu. Fourth one, it is Tanganyika. These are the four major lakes of the Democratic Republic of Congo, and these lakes, these four lakes, they lie along the eastern boundary of the country. They lie along the eastern boundary of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Remember one thing also, my dear students, Mount Margarita. Mount Margarita, it is the highest peak in this range, dear students. Dear students, let's move to the climate of the country. Climate of Democratic Republic of Congo. It has an equatorial type of climate. This DRC, it has an equatorial type of climate. Climate, it is characterized by the high temperature all year round. My dear students, climate of the country, it is characterized by high temperature all year round. You know, dear students, it rains throughout the year, but it rains heavily. My dear students, it rains heavily, but which is usually conventional and excess humidity. With the excess humidity, which makes uncomfortable at times. My dear students, you know about the winters. Winters are not different from the summers. Winters of the country, they are not different from the summers. And about the length of the days and nights. The length of the days and nights, they does not change much. They does not change much throughout the year. My dear students, about the mornings of the country, mornings of Democratic Republic of Congo, they are generally pleasant. Pleasant mornings are there, but at noon, the temperature is very high. At noon, the temperature is very high. At that time, with the excess heat, that heat is unbearable for the people living in the country. My dear students, with that excess heat, gradually clouds build up. Gradually clouds wrap up the sky. That results in the heavy rain. Results in the heavy rain almost in every afternoons. My dear students, but the evenings and nights, they are cool and comfortable for the people living in the country. Let's move to the vegetation of the country. My dear students, vegetation of Democratic Republic of Congo. Vegetation in hot and humid regions, the plants and trees, they grow rapidly. In hot and humid regions, plants grow rapidly in these conditions because they get water time after time. My dear students, these forests of Democratic Republic of Congo, they have a large variety of trees. Large variety of trees such as mahogany, it is ebony, it is rubber, these oil palms. These are the varieties found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. My dear students, most of the trees are tall. Most of the trees are tall, and they form a canopy at the top. They are dense and they form a canopy at the top. Canopy, it means mass of leaves and branches. Mass of leaves and branches spread over an area and they form a roof. And you know, dear students, even sunlight cannot pass through it. My dear students, you know these forests are also called the evergreen forests. Remember this thing, these forests are also called the evergreen forests, and these forests remain green throughout the year. My dear students, you know these forests are so dense. These forests of Democratic Republic of Congo, these are so dense forests, that is why it is difficult to pass through them. My dear students, remember one thing also, in the vegetation there are major species of plants found in these forests. Major species of plants include just like bromeliads, its vines, its flytraps, ferns, its buttress roots. These are the major species of plants found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. And let's have a quick look upon this about this vegetation. Vegetation in hot and humid regions, the plants and trees, they grow rapidly because they get water time after time, and forests have a large variety of trees such as it is mahogany, ebony, rubber, oil palms. These varieties are found in these regions, in these forests, and most of the trees, they are tall and they form a dense canopy at the top. Canopy, it means mass of leaves and branches spread over an area, and they form a roof. Even sunlight cannot pass through it, and these forests are also called the evergreen forests, and because these forests remain green throughout the year. And remember one thing also, these forests are so dense, that is why it is difficult to pass through them. And also the major species of the plants, these species of the plants include bromeliads, its vines, its flytraps, its ferns, its buttress roots, etc. These are the major species of plants found in this region. My dear students, it is all about today. फ़ी अमानिल्लाह, अपना ख्याल रखना और दुआ में याद रखना। फ़ी अमान।